back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. In this video I want to show you how I make healthy salads at home. Let's get started. In here I have cucumber, lettuce, cabbage and carrots. I've washed them all. These carrots I've washed and peeled the back, and I've washed all this and I put it in a sieve to drain out the water. This is my cabbage. I'll cut it into tiny pieces. First, I cut it in the middle and have 2 equal parts. Then I start slicing it into very tiny pieces. Now I don't cut this part, I just throw it away because it will be too hard. Cabbage well sliced, I set it aside. Next, I slice the lettuce. You can do this with just your fingers. You might not need to use knife, but I want to use knife for this. Lettuce ready, I set it aside. Next is the cucumber. Try to cut it into tiny shapes. Cucumber ready, I set it aside. So now I'm grating my carrots. You can slice yours, but I like grating mine because in grating it produces extra sweetness. Carrots well grated, I set it aside. So for this recipe, I'll be using sweet corn, baked beans, red kidney beans, mayonnaise, and eggs. Now drain out the water from the canned items. Time to mix in cabbage, carrots, lettuce, cucumber, sweet corn, baked beans, red kidney beans, eggs. So basically I'll be repeating the same process. The salad is ready now. You can have it with chicken or with eggs as it is. In the case I'm not using all at once, I scoop into a separate plate. All the ingredients are well integrated all over. Then I add in mayonnaise. Add as much as you want. Then I mix it in. This bigger portion can be stored in the fridge as I enjoy this. Please subscribe to my channel to support the work that I'm doing. Like this video, please like this video. Liking it makes YouTube send it to more people to see the great content I'm creating. Now let me have a taste of this. So yummy. Thank you for watching and see my next video.